Hi, it's Josh from MarineMax in New York, taking a look at a very recent trade-in, this 2018 Stingray 234 deck boat. You see up here in the bow, got nice lounge chairs to sit and enjoy the water, enjoy the sun. Easily accessible bow if you want to come in from the dock or come in from the water. You got another set of stereo controls up here, which is really handy. As we step into the cockpit, you'll notice this boat does come with a porta-john head in here. A nice size room for this size boat, 23-foot boat. Nice home station, great steering wheel, you got your stereo controls, you got your toggle switches over here. As you pan around, you also notice this boat comes with a full camper, which is very cool for something like this. You don't see them too often. It extends your boating season in the Northeast because we do have those cold days. You also see you have a ski pole right there for all your water sports activities. It does come with the Yamaha 250 horse 4-stroke outboard, which is a great option. From here, we're going to jump down and take a look at the hull. But if you have any questions about this boat, give us a call at our MarineMax Huntington location. Our sales consultants will be happy to answer any questions you have about this boat. Look forward to hearing from you.